Synthesia is an AI video creation tool that helps businesses produce professional videos without needing cameras, actors, or editing software. It is especially useful at work because it makes video production faster, more affordable, and more flexible. Here is a detailed look at how you can use it in the workplace, with examples. 1. Employee training videos are often expensive and time-consuming to make. With Synthesia, you can quickly create videos where digital presenters explain processes or guidelines. Example, a company onboarding new employees can create a video where an AI presenter explains the company values, benefits, and procedures. Instead of reading through a long document, new hires watch a professional video that feels engaging and easier to understand. 2. Internal communications leaders can use Synthesia to record important updates in a professional video format, even if they do not have time to sit in front of a camera. Example, a CEO traveling abroad can still share a quarterly update by typing the script into Synthesia. The tool generates a video of a presenter delivering the message, making the update feel more personal than a written memo. 3. Customer support and tutorials. Synthesia can be used to create step-by-step video guides that show customers how to use a product or solve common problems. Example, a software company can create a video where an AI avatar explains how to reset a password or set up a new feature. Instead of searching through a long FAQ page, customers watch a short video and solve their problem quickly. The fourth sales and marketing video is one of the most effective ways to capture attention online. Synthesia makes it easy for marketing teams to create personalized videos for campaigns or sales pitches. Example, a sales team can create personalized outreach videos where the AI presenter greets the potential client by name and explains how the product fits their needs. This feels more engaging than a plain email and helps build trust. 5. Global communication Synthesia supports multiple languages, which is useful for companies with international teams or customers. Example, a company can produce a product demo video in English, Spanish, and Mandarin without hiring multiple voice actors. The same video script is simply converted into different languages, saving time and cost while reaching a wider audience. 6. Learning and development. Beyond onboarding, employees can use Synthesia to make bite-sized learning modules that reinforce skills. Example, an HR team can produce short weekly videos that highlight workplace safety tips or explain updates and compliance policies. Employees watch a quick, engaging video instead of reading long documents. 7. Saving resources. Because Synthesia eliminates the need for filming equipment, editing software, and professional presenters, it reduces the time and money normally required for video production. This is especially valuable for teams that need to create content regularly. In short, Synthesia at work allows teams to create professional quality videos for training, communication, customer service, sales, and global outreach. It makes video creation faster, easier, and more cost-effective while keeping messages engaging and clear.